everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to access and use Cash App without installing the app. So does Cash App works in browser? The answer is yes. Cash App offers a web version at cash.app where you can securely send and receive money, view activity, link accounts, and more. No app download required. And here's how to log in via browser. Open any browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox. I use Brave. I love the app so much. So visit your website and then click sign in, then enter your phone number or email, and then enter the verification code sent via SMS or email, and you're it. You can now send, receive, and manage payments directly. And here's what you can do in the browser. You can send and receive peer-to-peer payments, view transaction history and balances, link or remove the bank accounts and cards, download account statements, and manage settings and security. And here's what not available on the web. Mobile check deposit and camera-based feature. Then some in-app only tools like the Boost or instant card controls. And occasionally, first-time payment acceptance may need the mobile app to complete. And here's some real-world user feedback. From a Reddit user confirmed that that's how I transact all of my business. Just go to Cash App in the browser and enter the codes to tax it. That's it. And some mentioned occasional hiccups, forcing them to back to the app to final confirmation. And here's some security tips for you. Always use the official domain cash.app/in. Never use or share your login code. Log out every use, especially on public or shared computers, and use secure trust device to avoid phishing or fraud. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, like, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.